Welcome back. Hotel projects in Illinois, funded in part by Chinese investors, are raising concerns about a visa program. Jeff Flock is in Rockford, Illinois this morning with the latest there. Jeff, good morning to you.
Good morning, Maria. You're looking at progress there, progress that would not be possible without Chinese investment. You know, when you talk about merit-based immigration, something called the EB-5 visa program, which was actually passed back in the 90s and reauthorized by President Trump, is some of what we're talking about. It actually gives any investor who, from, say, China or another country, would give that investor the opportunity to get a green card or a visa if they invest in a project that creates American jobs. This one here in Rockford, Convention Center and Hotel. Gary Gorman, it's your project. Would it have been possible without money from China?
Not even close. No, the EB-5 program generates money to create jobs in economically distressed areas. $30 million of an $87 million project is from EB-5, Chinese money from India and from Vietnam.
I've also, Maria, got the former mayor of Rockford, Illinois, Larry Morrissey. This started under your watch. $22 billion, I think, is what EB-5 programs have brought in terms of investment.
This is a way to rebuild our community, doing it in a very traditional way through entrepreneurs, capitalists. The Chinese people I had a chance to meet that are investing in this program love America. They love investing in our country.
The critics say it's basically visas for dollars, but you're creating jobs here.
That's right.
How many jobs?
This will create ultimately hundreds of jobs between direct jobs and spin-off jobs for our community, which we desperately need.
I tell you, Maria, the president talks about merit-based immigration. This is what we're talking about here. These investors who are getting a green card invest big money, up to $1 million, up to, $500,000 or $1 million in these projects.
Do you think this Chinese investment in the U.S. real estate continues like this, in this way, Jeff?
Yeah, I do. I think so. I mean, this is a program, as we said, $22 billion. Most of it comes from China, and those investors are eager, right?
Oh, they are indeed. They want the green card, but they also want to create jobs in this country. So that's what's creating this project, and without it, it would not have happened.
Okay. Cooperation between, we talk about trade war, cooperation between the U.S. and China often gets more accomplished.
Yeah, and this, as the Treasury right now, as we speak, is writing the rules in terms of restricted investment by the Chinese into the United States. We'll be watching that. Jeff, great stuff. Thanks very much. Jeff Flock in Illinois this morning.